Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the anatomy of an atom. And yesterday in the videos that you watched, they talked about the anatomy of an atom and the parts of an atom, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. So grab your interactive notebook so you can draw this diagram in your notebook. All right, so we're going to start off, and here is a drawing of an atom, and we have the center part, which is the nucleus, and I have that labeled. And within the nucleus, there are some subatomic particles. Now, sub means under or below, and so in this case, it means less. And the IC means pertaining to, so it's pertaining to an atom, but it's smaller than an atom. So that's what the subatomic particles, that's what those are. So the subatomic particles in the nucleus are the neutrons, which have no charge, and the protons, which are positively charged. And you can remember that because proton starts with P, and so does positive. All right, so then you have the electrons orbiting around, or in a circular pattern, orbiting around the atom. All right, so they're orbiting, so you can remember that like the Earth orbits the sun, and the electrons orbit the atom. Okay, so we've got all of this going on. This is the anatomy of the atom. Now, yesterday you were talking about, on the Khan Academy video, they talked about the atom being like a Lego. And you've got the base, which is the nucleus, and then the bumps, which are the electrons. And the electrons can bond to other electrons. And when they bond together, they form a molecule. So depending on how they bond, depends on how strong that bond is. So remember they talked about, you've got a bond like this that would be, it would be a bond, but it wouldn't be very strong. And each layer in that you go, or each, when they share more electrons, the stronger the bond is. So this is a little bit stronger, and then this would be the strongest bond of them all. So a molecule then is when atoms bond together. So when the atoms bond together, they create other compounds. Okay, so I want you to, today you're going to be watching a video from Generation Genius, and you've learned a lot about the properties of matter and atoms and molecules. And so I want you to copy off the quiz from Generation Genius, and that's your next assignment that will need to be uploaded by next Thursday, and it is for a grade. So pay attention to the video. I hope you enjoy it. Keep watching and keep sciencing.